Hi, everybody. We are back and we are actually on day 5 of the challenge on our Facebook group. So, I am making sure these videos go out for everybody in the future. So, if you are watching this real time, go join our group and enter to win the prizes. And even if we aren't live right now, go ahead and go to that group because we're going to continuously have these type of things going on. So I want to address the elephant in the room right now. I had a brilliant mind on my Facebook group come to me in panic because she spoke with Poshmark and felt like some of the things we were tweaking was going to work against closets, specifically keywords. So we wanted to make sure that this was not the case. So I contacted the person that I talk with Poshmark, and I emailed her and I told her all this. And I told her exactly what I was doing. I was having people add keywords in the description and at the bottom of after your description, okay, which is what is controversial here. And this is what she wrote back to me. So I'm going to go ahead and read through this. And I wanted to let you guys know that according to Poshmark, not eBay, not Macari, not anyone else, this is okay. And I'm going to tell you the right way and the wrong way so that you know exactly what to do to make your business and your listings optimized. Okay, so now let's get to it. Adding item-specific keywords to the description and to the bottom after your description is what we're about to discuss. I'm going to tell you what it does for you. I'm going to tell you if you use it wrong, what it can do for you as well. Okay. I want to thank you for joining me today. I know this is a lot of information to digest, and that's why we broke it up over 14 days. Hang in there. Please be willing to put in the work because I am telling you, most people are seeing good responses to these changes. Okay, so keywords are important. They help the crawlers find your listing, so the bots out there, Google, and they bring customers in through keyword search. They broaden who sees your items, your listings because of this. So if you're putting in goth into a black dress that could be worn at church, for example, then somebody that's looking for a goth dress might very well come to your listing and buy that black dress, right? So that's why it's important to use as many descriptive keywords as possible. We also want to tell you that you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to overdo it for many reasons. So you want to keep it real. Never use keywords that do not truly pertain to your listing. Never use the same word over and over. That's called keyword stuffing. And never overload the bottom with keywords. So we want to do this in a smart way. So using them to pertain only to your listing, meaning don't say like Lululemon. Don't use the same word over and over. Don't put shirt dress in your title, shirt dress in your description, and shirt dress at the bottom. And then never like add like 50 keywords to the bottom of your listing. That is looked at like spam. So honesty goes a long way. When you add Lululemon or like Lululemon, or says goes good with a blazer, and this is more for like eBay. eBay hates that. And a customer comes to find out it's not Lululemon and not a blazer, they are not happy, which means the platform is not happy. So there are different ways to say things, um, and you basically can reuse some of the keywords to a certain degree, but in a different manner. So if you listed it as a blouse, then you can at the bottom put shirt, top. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Don't say blouse over and over, but you can use the other terms that people call it, because somebody might search as a shirt, somebody might search as a blouse, some people might call every shirt a top, right? So a lot of us resellers might know the difference between these items, but the general public really, for the most part, is not. Okay, so we need to use the right keywords. So what are the right keywords? Well, it's going to depend on your item, and you're going to have to look at your item, and you will have to learn this. You will have to develop your keywords. And Jonna Ogden suggests that you do a journal of bubble words. Go back and find out what that is. And I say do a journal of keywords. So it does matter how you deliver your thoughts, and actions reflect your words. So strive to be accurate through your listing, and most keywords can be naturally inserted into your description so they don't have to go at the bottom. So you might not want to say shirt, top, blouse, all in your description, right? So put some of that at the bottom. So here's some common keywords for jeans, shorts, mom, flare, wide legs, skinny, straight, high rise, low rise, boyfriend, baggy, boot cut, distressed, and the color of the jeans. Okay, so now we have some common keywords for shirt, dress shirt, button down, linen, golf, denim, Hawaiian, silk, western, flannel, chambray, denim, tee. You get the idea. There's all kinds of keywords for shirt. So sometimes you're going to be able to add this all into your description, and sometimes some of these items might need to go at the bottom. While I'm doing this video, it is May 2022, and one thing I can tell you that keeps coming up in all these keywords is golf. So I just want to point that out to you guys, because almost in every category, golf was one of the top keywords that showed up. Okay, so common keyword for pants. So not jeans, but pants. Linen, also coming up a lot. Hiking, cargo, jogger, palazzo, golf, suit, harem, silk, yoga flare, dress pants, trousers, high-waisted, corduroys, work, chino, khaki, and you get the point, right? So there's also athletic, athleisure, and then please keep adding the color to your titles and your descriptions. This is going to benefit you on any platform you're on, but is especially going to help you on Poshmark currently, because color is one of the things they're testing, or keyword. So another more common Poshmark keywords for dresses is maxi, midi, mini, summer, tank, wrap, cocktail, wedding, formal, shirt, denim, shift, sheath, sun, and wedding guest. Especially in the spring for wedding guests, you guys. Get them making that keyword right away. Okay, some of the common keywords for shoes on Poshmark is golf, keep seeing that, dress, running, hiking, tennis, basketball, athletic, platform, wedge, gladiator, strappy, flat, and once again, collar. So some people call it tennis shoes. Some people might call it athletic. So make sure you're diversifying. Okay, so keywords for bags, crossbody, body, tote, diaper, satchel, shoulder, messenger, bucket, duffel, sling, vintage, leather, backpack, and again, the collar of the item. Common keywords on Poshmark for jackets and coats, linen, another word that keeps coming up, rain, bomber, denim, moto, quilted, utility, motorcycle, black leather, cropped, puffer, military, suede, chore coat, shirt, so shacket, and vintage. Okay. And again, and varsity, I'm sorry. And again, once again, one of the top words when looking on Poshmark for keywords keeps coming up as collar. That continuously is in the top 10 keywords that you can use, which Jonna does describe as bubble words. Okay, so that's how I found my keywords. So some of the keywords for skirts on Poshmark is midi, maxi, mini, peasant, tennis, golf, denim, pencil, pleated, wrap, leather, linen again, silk, floral, tiered. Okay, and some of the common keywords for shorts are jean, bike, so like those biker shorts, but biker shorts also, denim, running, golf again, board shorts, high-waisted, athletic, swim, vintage, Bermuda, hot pants, dress shorts, and once again, in every single one, collar was in the top 10. Okay, and here's some keywords for sweaters: dress, cashmere, wool, cardigan, cropped, oversized, cape, shawl, tank, knit, cable knit, open knit, grandpa, cotton, crochet, vintage, and pullover. Again, collar each time. Okay, so we are seeing a pattern here, right? I want you to grasp some of these keywords and go to your listings and make some of these changes. So you're asking, Lori, where am I supposed to put these keywords exactly? I don't want to look like I'm, spamming. And we're going to see some more common keywords come up, you guys. I wanted to cover as many categories as possible. Okay, so here's swim, shirt or suit, shorts, trunk, cover up, dress, skirt, one piece, bikini, and bottoms. Interesting enough, tops only was not in that, but bottoms was. So we're going to add keywords for more exposure. We're going to put them in the right places. We're going to make them make sense. We're not going to use the same dress, 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 olive green, olive green, olive green over and over. That's considered spam or stuffing, not spamming. Okay, so what is spamming? Well, we'll get to that here in just a minute. Here is your task. We're going to have you add keywords that make sense to your description first. Then add a few to the bottom, okay? So spamming would be adding things that are keywords that are absolutely does not pertain to your item truly. Here's your challenge. Comment in the post below 10 keywords to use in your description that are not listed here on our little video. And be sure not to use the ones we shared with you already. And you're going to be entered to win a closet consultation with Jonna Ogden, which is Poshmark's Heart and Hustle winner. And everyone that comments, all 10 gets entered to win the grand prize, which is Vendu. Both of these things, I am telling you, will change your business and how it works. If you're trying to go up, if you're trying to just make better sales, maybe your sales are already good. Take some of these tips we're giving you, you guys, and run with them. See what works for you. If your sales are slow, I suggest you try to do all these things that we're telling you to do. Okay, well, thank you for joining us. I really appreciate your time. Here in a moment, you're going to see our group name, so you can go and search that and join in on the fun. We're going to have all kinds of activities. We're going to continue to do things like this to uplift the Poshmark community, help each other out, and get to know each other so we can be on the journey to better sales. All right, guys, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.